Well, it's laundry day. It's kind of like prayer flags, but it's a lot of laundry. I thought it was dry. Washed it in Buena Vista. Dried it for a little bit. And now it's getting some fresh mountain air. So it doesn't roll. Road is getting kind of rough. It doesn't look too bad here, but on some of the hills it's tough. So I am going to hike quite a bit. It's going to be a 15-miler. It's afternoon. Really late start, but I had to do laundry, and then I hung it out to dry in the mountain air. And looking at the clouds, probably going to get rain down, which I don't really care. Lightning is going to be the issue. Got my headlamp because I'll probably be on this road again by darkness. But the goal is to get to the summit before darkness, actually get off the trail back to the road by that time. But I get my headlight with, and actually on the Continentaldividetrail, I was just right over here on this ledge, and then there's Hope Pass and Twin Lakes to the north. Remember, it hailed on that pass. It was super cold. But I have way more clothes now prepared than I did when I was through hiking. So I should be fine. Oh, it's beautiful out. Going through the ghost town of Winfield. Cool little ghost town. Oh, Huron, that's where we're going. Alright, which one is it? I don't know, probably can't even see it from here. Got a long ways yet. Like 6 miles or so. Looks like you can rent these cabins in this ghost town. That'd be cool. I wonder how you do that. Winfield Ghost Town Rentals. I think the other ghost town, Vickburg, has the same thing. I think you can rent those cabins. That would be pretty cool. Colorado Trail and the CDT. Oh, I've missed you, CDT. No, it's hard to remember this section. Or is it up there? Must be this road. I remember Hope Pass. I don't remember this little spot. Okay, if I had high clearance and 4-wheel drive, I could have made it another 3.25 miles. This is going to be an extra 6.5 miles for the day. Making good time though. It's been 1 hour and 2 minutes and just over 3.3 miles. So I'm going 3.3 miles an hour. I'm sure that's going to slow down once I start climbing this elevation. But it's good to get some good speed going. I figure if the storm hits around 5, I think it's 4 o'clock now, it's a couple hours, and then I'll just stay in tree line till the lightning's done, and then it's supposed to be like 0% at 6, so. Oh, the Colorado Trail, the CDT, all trails come right here. But Mount Huron is here, so I was here, But this is like an extra 10 miles off course. That's an extra half day, or a little less. Well, maybe a little more. Since it's such a climb. Roots and rocks and roots and rocks. Good steps. Let's see if it stays consistent. Oh, I love it when you get on trail after a road walk. Everything smells so much better, less dust. And now I think most of the people have come down. So everybody tries to summit by noon, comes down, it's 4 o'clock. Let's see if I can get down to that road before sunset. Here we go. Here at like 12,200 feet, about over 5 miles into it so far, hour and 50 minutes since I left the car. And it's like 4:20, something like that, 4 something. They said rain at about 5. So, I mean, rain, I don't care. Don't want lightning. If it rains, it could be lightning. I'm above tree line now. Usually tree line is about 12,000 feet. Kind of funny, as I'm starting up later, you get the older gentlemen, and they give me that look at their watch, like they wanna, like they own the mountain. You can't summit in the afternoon. Well, I mean, I have hiked 8,000 miles through the mountains. I know when it's lightning, you move down. But it's just kind of funny. I hope I'm not like that. I think I am sometimes. I get a big head about being a good hiker. But we're all in our own little space. And don't judge other people. Oh, but it's weird. It's weird how that kind of affects me a little bit. Like, you can't summit in the afternoon. No, I won't summit when it's lightning out. But it's nice now. Hard to convey that. You know, I've hiked from Mexico to Canada twice. Pacific Crest Trail and Continentaldividetrail. And I mean, sometimes you get caught in a lightning storm above the tree line. You hustle back in. But if you stop every time it rains, you're not going to make it to Canada. It's just how it works. Yeah. So it's good. Well, what's interesting too is they said good luck. Well, you can't rely on luck out here at all. I mean, I don't mind having luck, but the important thing is wilderness intuition and you know, your fitness level. And cautionary, they don't take risks or chances. So yeah, I guess that's my soapbox. Here's where we're going. This is the ascent. I think I see a switchbacks over there. Is it that point or that point? I have to look at the map. Probably last on the mountain. So if it's gonna be 5, and it took me less than 2 hours, it'll take me another hour to get up. 6, 7, 8. Plenty of time of sunshine, unless it rains, and that'll slow things down. I have an hour to play with. It's all good. Here comes the rain. As long as it's not lightning and thundering. Sometimes the jets sound like, you know, stuff. So, yeah, it's going to get a little slick here. I still got 1,500 feet to go. Mile and a half. The wind is at my back, so it's going towards the clouds. So it's definitely going to rain more. Maybe snow and sleet. So the plan is I have to go back down to those shrubs, take cover if it gets hail or lightning. Here we go. Okay, at 13.5. I'm glad those clouds are over there. And so just gotta go up this. Hello, Pika. Those clouds scared everybody off the mountain. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little concerned myself. But the sun rays are exquisite. I love it when those sun rays are like that. Coming up to the top of Mount Huron. Oh, I pushed it. Pretty hard coming up. But it's nice being up here. That's some rain clouds coming in here. Doesn't look like lightning. Maybe over there. Oh man, I pushed it too hard at the bottom. Trying to get up here. between storms and light. Oh, shouldn't have taken so much time to dry my laundry. But I'm here. Woohoo! Here it is. I don't see a marker anywhere. If anybody left a sign up here. Here's a fun ridge. Nice little bivouac. Oh, I just gotta go down. Oh. Pretty nice up here, but I mean, there's some good little ledges here you don't want to fall off. For sure. And nobody else is summiting, so I should make my way down before that stuff comes. I do that. Rain all over. Looks like a fire over there. See blue or smoke. It's kind of whiter. I don't know if that's a fire too. Don't know. Ah. Alright, 11 summits in 9 days. Yeah. And the 21st total 14er of Colorado. I doubled a couple. Oh, that's a cool lake over there. I didn't see that. Is that Twins Lake? By Leadville? I don't know. Some reservoir. It's time to go. Man, those mountain goats are fast. Hey, mountain goats! Yoo-hoo. Can't whistle. Lips are too dry. There's so many birds all over. I don't know if they're nests or in the hillsides or what. Just everywhere. And the little pikas are grabbing these flowers and running into these little holes. Kind of cute. Going up, I was just so focused on summiting. Going down now, I'm looking more into nature, as long as I don't trip. And we're back to the first trailhead, but I've got a few trailheads yet to go. The sun's not set yet, but when you're in the mountains, I mean, they block the sun, so it's probably another hour of sun still. It's just the horizon is a lot lower. But happy to be down to the road. It's just easier walking. Oh, it's still going to be like 14 miles, I think, today. All right. I haven't drank anything yet, but I don't feel thirsty. It's all good. That's a lot of stickers. That looks like a nice trout stream. I think it's called Clear Creek. No camping though. Hey, mountain goats! Ooh. Can't whistle. Lips are too dry.